is 60 degree, mu is 3 by 2, air, and it is grazing emergence, and we should calculate angle of incidence. For what angle of incidence? For this situation, angle of the prism is 60 degree and surrounding medium is air. Refractive index of the prism material is mu by 3 by 2. What angle of incidence is required for this to happen? So we write like this. This has to be theta c. This is theta r1, and theta r1 plus theta c is equal to 60 degree because angle of the prism is sum of these two angles. Therefore, theta r1 is 60 degree minus theta c. Okay, 60 degree minus theta c is this. Therefore, applying Snell's law to this boundary, 1 into sin theta I is equal to 3 by 2 into sin theta r1, that is 3 by 2 into sin 60 degree minus theta c, that is 1. Applying Snell's law to this boundary. Applying Snell's law to the other boundary, second boundary, 3 by 2 sin theta c is equal to 1 into sin 90 degree because the ray is grazing. So therefore, emergent angle is 90 degree. From this what we get is sin theta c is equal to 2 by 3. Sin theta c is 2 by 3. Therefore, cos theta c under root 1 minus 9 by 4, 4 by 9, that is under root 5 by 2. So substitute that value, that is sin theta c is 2 by 3, sin theta c is 2 by 3, cos theta c is root 5 by 2. Therefore, in this equation, what our interest is theta I determination. So theta I we have to determine. Therefore, sin theta I is 3 by 2 sin of 60 degree minus theta c. Expand this trigonometric function. 3 by 2 into sin 60 degree cos theta c minus cos 60 degree sin theta c. Cos theta c sin theta c value we have obtained here. Therefore, substitute here. 3 by 2 sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into cos theta c is root 5 by 2 minus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, sin is 2 by 3 is sin theta I. Therefore, theta I is equal to sin inverse of the entire thing. Okay, sin inverse of this. By simplification of this and sin inverse of that, we will be able to calculate theta I. Okay, next in the continuation of refraction of light at plane boundary, we now go for the concept of dispersion of light, dispersion phenomena, dispersion of light. What is meant by dispersion of light? Before we go for what is meant by dispersion of light, we will try to analyze the refraction when a polychromatic light is incident on the boundary. So let a medium glass and air separated by a plane boundary, this is normal to the boundary, a ray of light is incident. This ray is composite ray or polychromatic ray? Composite light ray. What is meant by composite light ray? It is a light ray consisting of 2-3 wavelengths, or also it is polychromatic. Monochromatic is single wavelength light ray, but it is polychromatic light ray consisting of, let us consider 2-3 wavelengths, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. These are the 3 wavelengths are there in this light ray. Light ray is incident at the boundary like this. Then what happens? It bends away from the normal after refraction here. How much angle it bends away decided by wavelength. Depending upon the wavelength, angle of refraction, because refractive index is different for different wavelengths. Therefore, light ray may deviate at 3 different angles. So therefore, a single light ray on refraction here is splitting into 3 light rays because there are 3 wavelengths here due to refractive index of the same pair of media is different for different wavelengths. Like this splitting of a composite light ray into constant wavelengths on refraction at a plane boundary is called dispersion of light. It is due to refraction phenomena, and it is arising because refractive index of given pair of media depends on wavelength of light. So this is what we call it as dispersion of light. Now our interest here is how the light passing through a prism undergo dispersion, particularly white light. Now we are going to consider dispersion of light and passing through prism case. A normal usual prism we use is an equilateral prism or prism of refracting angle alpha. When white light ray passes through the prism, how the light ray is going to be undergoing dispersion we will consider now. A prism, let it be a prism here, this ABC is a prism, and refracting angle of the prism is alpha, and surrounding medium is air, need not be always air, a special case we are considering. Prism is made up of certain material mu is the refractive index of the material. Now light ray is incident at some angle here, theta I. This is white light ray. White light ray is a polychromatic light ray. It's a polychromatic or composite light ray. When light